Good morning traders, this is Kobus Kemp of SA Forex Trading, and this morning I want to show you how we read the market, how the market gives us the information to know who's in control of the market and what the market is most likely to do. Now let's just take this Australian dollar weekly chart. Clearly the first thing that we can see, this is a very strong downward trend. So you know it by now. The trend is your friend, so we can put in that channel and we know that the market is now trading in that channel. What I also see and what I also know about the Australian dollar is that according to the Elliott wave principle, we are basically in a fourth wave position. We found resistance 2-3 weeks ago with a cut, the Australian Bank, Reserve Bank of Australia's rate cut. And now we have found resistance at 0.4 or wave 4, which is the end of the correction. From there we can see that the market came down rapidly, very strongly, and we must probably on our way to take out the lows. So that's what not many traders know, and that is what I teach on my courses, how to read the market, what to expect the market to do next. Now if you go down to a daily chart, working with that resistance, working from there, so our line in the sand is that resistance. We will stay short below 78.30 and we're looking at selling opportunities. That does not mean that we won't have any buying opportunities or shorter term trades. The longer term view is bearish below 78.32, as that is our previous wave 4. Now looking at the price action down there at the bottom, what do you see? How do you read this market? The first thing that we can see that our resistance is coming down, so the bears are in control and they are breaking the support areas of the bulls. What we also can see in this chart is that there's a lot of bear flags, and that means that this is a bearish market, that the market is still coming down. Down there at the bottom, many will see this as a double bottom head and shoulder pattern. I can agree with that. Other guys will look at it and just say it is a double bottom. So how do we trade this? We put a trend line or a horizontal line there on the double bottom, and we can see that the market is now breaking higher. This is most probably a shorter term bottom for the market to go up to correct this downward movement, as it's been declining from the end of April, 22nd of April. It's been declining one shot through and now probably is in for some sort of correction. This double bottom will help us, or this inverse head and shoulder pattern, if you want to look at it like this way, you can see this as a double head and shoulder pattern, and now it's breaking higher. As it stays above that past resistance, future support area, it will go up, and as we go down even to a smaller time frame on the hourly, what is very important here is that we can see that we have a 5-wave rally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 3-wave pullback. That is the setup that I'm looking for. I'm looking for the market to lead, to wait for the pullback, and then I will buy in the direction of the 5-wave. So the price pattern is the inverse head and shoulder pattern with a double head, or if you want to see it, a double bottom, that's also true. And now we have the 5-wave rally and the 3-wave pullback. That is a buying signal in the shorter term. So what is my price target area? Probably just up there, buy around 72.40, and we're going to trade another 100 pips or so. We're going to trade higher, and then we're going to take profit. So that's a short-term trade. Also like to take profit in that area because it's below that resistance. We don't know if the market is going to break that previous resistance, so just a small trade, 100 pips up trade here on the Australian dollar to correct this downward movement. And then we will take profit. So if you like this video, come to SA Forex Trading's courses. I will put the dates on the website, on the Facebook page. Go and secure your seat by paying a deposit. Send me your email so that I can send you the information. And what is very interesting, according to this studies that we do, according to our technical analysis, is that we very rarely use indicators. So all of this information I've done just now is just pure price action. I know it's in control. I know the market is going to give us a reaction back to previous high or previous resistances, and we have done it without indicators. So if you want to join us, just send me an inbox with your email address, and I'll send you the information. Thanks, Kobus Kemp, SA Forex Trading. Keep well.